Amin. I'm seeing Hafi. I'm seeing Chaligawa Arthur. I'm seeing Michael. This is Michael Ojin. I'm so honored to see you, sir. I'm so honored to see you. I'm seeing same way. I'm seeing Mr. Chaligawa. Let me see who else. I think those are the only ones. Okay. We are going to start at exactly 37 minutes past 12. So let us utilize these remaining 3 minutes. Kindly please take a screenshot, post it into the group and notify others that we have started. Kindly take a screenshot, post it into the group and notify others that we have started. Today's thing is simple. I'm going to be showing you the quickest and easiest way onto how we can basically see out our running trades we see. Are they yet to be delivering or they are still floating? Today I'm going to be analyzing for you your coins on a freely basis. On a freely basis. So kindly please take a screenshot, post it on the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started. Kindly please take a screenshot, post it in the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started. Kindly please take a screenshot, post it in the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started. Biggie Jallo, you most welcome. Biggie Jallo, you most welcome. We're only remaining with 1 minute. We're only remaining with 1 minute to start right away. Kindly please take a screenshot, post it in the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started our class money trace. You're most welcome, Madam Justin Cassidy. You're most welcome. That is our honorable class money trace, or you can call her Chief Whip. You can call her Chief Whip. So this remaining 1 minute, kindly please take a screenshot, post it in the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started. All right, I think let's start right away. I think let's start right away. Since you have failed to share out the screen, let me just start right away. So today, I'm going to be taking you through onto how you can actually analyze your own coins on your behalf. So please, today, you're going to give me out your running trades. I check them on my trading view. I see their capability to either sell out so quickly or they might delay. So without wasting any further minutes, I would request you can please text in what are some of the coins you would wish for me to analyze out for you. Please write down those questions. Write down those running trades you're having, know your Royalq. I'll check them out for you, and I see their capability, where they can easily sell out or they might delay out. And also look at what are some of the factors which have caused their delay, what are some of the factors which are soon pushing them to sell out, Michael again saying 1,000 sat. My friend, 1,000 sat. That is a deep sick. 1,000 sat, it is a deep sick. It is way more beyond what you're thinking. 1,000 sat. It is way more beyond than what you think. Anyone else? Please. Someone is asking bio. Someone is saying bio. Someone is saying bio. What are you waiting for? Others, what are you waiting for? Others, what are you waiting for? Write down those running trades. Write down those running trades you have out. I will definitely check out them for you. Someone saying pub. Is it Pepe or pub? Is it Pepe or pub? Mr. Enoch Obonyo, you're most welcome. Mr. You're most welcome. Think let me share out my screen. Let me just share out my screen. Let me just share out my screen. All right. Pub USDT. Okay. Is my screen visible? I think now my screen is visible, right? Okay, since my screen is visible, this is how it looks like. So my main focus today is onto this word trading view. That's going to be my main focus today. So someone said, can you please analyze for me what is a Southern Sat up to? Southern Sat, it was, I think it was among my favorites back then. Let me see if it's still there. I removed it. Can you imagine? I had it over here. I think I no longer have it. My fanfare, it has violated. My fanfare has violated. Let me remove this. My fanfare has truly violated what I thought it's gonna be. It has passed through. Now it is heading here, and we shall see a massive pump. For those who had put it, yes, enjoy margin calls for now. Someone said after that, those who have just joined, we are looking into those running trades you're having. We check them out. We see their capability to easily sell out or they are still running. So for those who are having 1,000 sats, let me get for your 1,000 sats from somewhere else. Let me get for your 1,000 sats with another exchange because there's a lot of work into that. Let me use, let me use 1,000 sats. Is it? Let me try to see if I can find another exchanger. Where is spot crypto? I'm looking for spot crypto. Okay, let me use this Bitaza. Yes. You see, when I'm looking for 1,000 sats, me, I have this 1,000 sats in my Binance. But this 1,000 sats in my Binance, it has a lot of work. You see, you might not understand all these things. You see, there are a lot of percentages. I've been doing different calculations from here. So it might be a bit awkward for you to understand. So I'm trying to check out another 1,000 sats in another exchanger. You get? So you should write 1,000 sats stroke USDT. Then you should be aware of this word, spot crypto. So I'm also seeing spot crypto, but this is 1,000 sats. This is sats 1K. It's not the same. So I'm also seeing sats stroke USDT spot crypto. I think I'm going to base onto this Bitaza. Let me see onto Bitaza what it is saying. All right, here it is. So with 1,000 sats, it has actually fallen down. It has actually fallen down. With 1,000 sats, it has actually fallen down. I'm literally expecting no or little pumping because according to this RSI, this is stochastic RSI indicator. This indicator you're seeing down here, it's called stochastic RSI indicator. When you come and tap onto this thing here, then after you tap onto, after you tap onto the word indicators, the word indicators come and tap onto my favorites because me I already added it. So it is right here. It's called stochastic RSI. So this is the indicator I use down there. So this indicator probably helps you to know where is this coin going. Is it pumping up or is it pumping down? So as I told you, when we are trading, we should focus onto what we call time frame. We are having, when I tap down here, are you seeing all this here? Here I'm seeing 1 week time frame. So when you tap here, you must consider all these time frames, the minutes, the hours, the days. I think we can stop here. But among here, what I truly focus on is I focus on 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 hour, and 4 months. Then in minutes, I only focus on 15-minute time frame. But when I'm looking for a signal, I basically consider 4 time frames. I consider the 1 day time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15-minute. Those are the only 4 time frames I consider before trading out any coin. But since today I'm going to be analyzing out for you those coins you're having, I'll also consider the 1 week time frame to see how this coin is performing. So according to RSI indicator, this coin is in what we call the oversold. No, this is overbought. It is down here because this is where the demand is. People, they have overbought it. People, no, this is overbought, oversold. Let me sit down here. Vic, is someone saying Vicky USDT? So a lot of people have oversold it. A lot of people have oversold it because when we sell, prices dip down. When we buy, prices pump up. So currently it is in the oversold areas. So we don't know when it is yet to pump. If this RSI, let me try to reduce on the size of the pen. If this RSI indicator here, the blue line and the red line, when the blue line crosses above the orange, because this is orange, when the blue line, are you seeing? Once the blue line here crosses above like it has done here, the orange, meaning we are pumping up. But however, we only consider this if this line is onto the dotted line here. Are you seeing the first dotted line here onto the line of 20? So the line of 20, if you go to Bollinger Bands, this is the lower band, this is the middle band, and this is the upper band. The line of 20, 50, and 80. They act as the lower band, middle band, and upper band. So currently, this coin of Northern Sats, it is way below the lower band. So we don't know when this coin will rise up. So I have no clear evidence that this coin of Northern Sats may sell out. I won't exceed from there. Option number 2. Someone said, please search for me about Bio USDT. Bio USDT. If I come to Bio USDT, it is here. This coin has just been launched. Remember, I told you, please avoid trading coins which have just been listed. Now this coin of Bio, it is very good to trade. You know why? Because the day it was introduced, I'm in 1 week time frame. Are you seeing? The day it was introduced, it rose from here up to here. Let me see which percentage it made. From here where it started from to here where, my goodness. Can you imagine? This coin made over 5,923%. So this coin, this is the percentage it made. So from here, it has fallen down the same thing. You know what is next? It's gonna do the same thing from here back to where it came from. So whoever is trading Bio, my friend, you're in paper money. You're going to make some good cash. Whoever is trading Bio, you're going to make some good cash. Yeah, those who have just joined, thank you so much. Yes, you're most welcome. Those who have just joined, you're most welcome. So when I reach here, you see whatever, because I told you, I think it was yesterday at 12 noon, I told you when you're trading, always trade at the support and exit at the resistance. So this coin has already filled down here. Now this is our next target. So it has to fill this gap. But this is not going to happen in an overnight. It's not going to happen in a day. This is 1 week time frame. You see, I'm seeing all this in 1 week time frame. Meaning, this is week 1, week 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. They're 17 weeks ago. But this coin has just been depreciating, going down. Now it has fully come to the support. Either I can draw here mica line. You see, this coin is there. So my next target, I can say I want this coin maybe to be here. That can be my next target. The support and resistance. So I can come to 1 day now, 1 day time frame. I check and I see where are we heading. So if we come to 1 day time frame, so this coin is just there. So I'm expecting this coin to fall again. You see, when it falls again, it's going to stop on this yellow line. After reaching this yellow line, it will pump up. You know why? Because even the RSI indicator is telling to me, Uncle Royalq, you see, we have reached in the overbought areas. Now we are now trying to come down. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing when this blue line has crossed below the orange line? Are you seeing here? It is a sign to tell me that, Uncle, we are going to dip down. But once it dips down, it might stop here on this yellow line, then it will increase up. Meaning, whoever is in the coin of bio, my friend, you're still enjoying floating loss. But when you're enjoying floating loss, make sure you have enough money to buy the margin calls so that by the time it rises up, you'll be good to go. Let me calculate from this point of the yellow line to this another yellow line, we are having over 146%. So that will be your take profit. That will be your take profit if you wait. Those who have not yet traded this coin of bio, this is a signal. Whoever hasn't yet traded this coin of bio, if you wait and this coin of bio reaches this zone, this yellow zone, this yellow line I've drawn, or what we call the demand zone, you have an estimated take profit between 3% to 146%. So taking a profit, it depends on your level of greediness. But currently, this coin of buy is still dipping down due to the fact that it's coming down, and also here the RSI indicator has fully confirmed that uncle, we are going down. If I change from 1 day, I come to 4 hours, you see, it's still the same thing. Where you're seeing this red line, this is the resistance, and it has, meaning what I've drawn, it is true. You see, that red zone, it is a resistance. It means, uncle, this coin might not exceed from there when it's pumping. That's where the resistance is. What do I mean by resistance? Resistance simply means that there are many sell orders. That whenever the coin reaches that point, people sell out. Whenever people sell out, market dumps down. Remember, crypto market is governed by the market forces of demand and supply. So the higher the demand, the higher the prices, and the higher the supply, the lower the prices. So whenever this coin reaches this point of demand, are you seeing this blue line? Are you seeing this blue zone? I'm too accurate. I even didn't know. Even my indicator is telling me, uncle, when this coin reaches this blue zone, we shall surely pump up. Are you seeing that? Even here, the RSI is just dipping down. It is here. It is waiting for this coin to come. When it comes back down and reaches this blue line, it will make a turnover. And when it makes a turnover, just expect. Let us calculate maybe from this point, maybe back to this point. You can expect maybe a 80% take profit. You see, that is the coin of bio, according to what I'm saying, and it will eventually happen. I seeing that how beautiful it is. Now from 4 hours, let me go to 1 hour, and I see. With 1 hour, it is still the same thing. It's telling me, uncle, according to RSI indicator, is saying, uncle, we are still going down. Even here it is saying, uncle, we are still going down here. After here, we shall eventually turn. So whoever is in bio, you're still dipping down. Those who have not yet entered the coin of bio, please be patient. Let us wait. I will serve it to you when it reaches this yellow zone. So you can actually take a screenshot. Let me see. Let me put in 4 hours. You can actually take a screenshot. Yes, you show to your grandchildren that Uncle Ricky once portrayed this coin that will make this take profit. Let me take it. I'll save it. I'll send it to you. Be like, hey, I was in that class too. I eventually noticed it. So if I is trading bio, that is it. Someone said, please check for me Vicky, that is Charigaba Arthur. Charigaba Arthur said, check for me Vicky USDT. I come onto Vicky USDT. Remember I told you we start from the bigger time frame. Me, I've chose 1 week. So with 1 week time frame, this is the coin of Vicky. So the coin of Vicky is here. This coin has just been there, dipping, pumping. So now it has reached this point. I think it is trying to make a reverse. It is trying to make a reverse. By just mere looking, I can see that this coin has been in the downtrend. This coin has been the downtrend. Is it? Am I correct or am I wrong? This coin has been a downtrend, so if it breaks this, we are pumping up. If it stops here, we are still coming back down. According to 1 week, it is showing, uncle, we are pumping up. And truly we are pumping up. Reason being, I'm just drawing it. In fact, okay, let me do the actual drawings. So I'm going to do my trend line. I might base onto this and maybe this. So when you're doing a trend line, you must make sure this line attaches 2 points and above. Me, I've considered this point, and also this point. That is the upper trend line. Then also the downward trend line, I can say maybe I'm considering this point. Let me try and see. Let me try and see which point can I really consider. Which points can I really consider? So I can say I'm considering this. Also here I can say I'm considering these points there, here, and here. As long as there are 2 points and above, that's how we draw a trend line. So according to what I'm saying, this coin, it has been in downtrend. It has been falling, dipping, falling, pumping. Now it is just here. So if it breaks here and we go above this resistance, we might see an uptrend. If it stops here and dips back down, you might see a downtrend. So the reason as to why here it is showing that we are pumping up kubanga, it has to surely pump till it reaches this black line. So meaning from here where it is to reach here, I can say like a 14% according to what I'm saying. If I go to one day time frame, let me go to 1 day time frame. If I go to 1 day time frame, it's saying to me, uncle, if this coin reaches this black line, we are going to dip down. Are you seeing this RSI? It has already told me that, uncle, we are going to dip down. But I've already seen it in 1 week time frame. If I go to 4 hours, I check and I see they are like, uncle, if this coin comes back to this blue line, we shall pump. That's why here I calculated, I was like, you know what? We're still having like a 14% take profit from where we are. For this coin to come from where it is to reach this black line, I'm expecting like a 14%, and it is also there. Because are you seeing this? This coin is going to dip down, it comes back to this blue line. Whenever it touches the blue line, it will surely pump up. Reason being the blue line, it is the support. Remember I told you we trade at the support. Whenever prices reach in the blue zone or in the demand zone or at the support, the prices pump back up. As you can see, that whenever this candlestick touched in the blue line, they pumped, they pumped, they pumped, they pumped. So also here I'm waiting for it to come back. It touches this blue line, it will surely pump. That's why I calculated like a 14% take profit. It will definitely appear. Are we together? If I come in 1 hour time frame, it is like, uncle, we are dipping down. Are you seeing here? And also here in 1 hour time frame, here there is a resistance. Are you seeing that yellow? No. That red zone, it is a resistance, meaning this price is dipping down. When it dips down and reaches this blue line, we shall pump up. That's why I calculated that 14, 15%. So that one with Vicky, you're also dipping down. Are you seeing that? Aha, let me stop there. Who else? Someone asked about, please say PAP. P-E-R-P. 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 So we start from the bigger time frame, that is 1 week. Let me start with 1 week. I see where we're heading. So according to 1 week, come I've been trading this coin also. See where it came from. This coin almost reached $30. Right now it is costing 0.2. This is how we're going to be poor. Imagine if this coin comes from this zone and goes back to where it came from. You know how much we would have made? But this thing caused a lot of problems. We're having a lot of fear. Due to this thing, we are facing a lot of fear. So according to PAP, it is telling us that, uncle, we are going to go up. According to RSI indicator, saying that, uncle, we shall surely go up. And according to what I'm seeing here, this coin has reached the weekly low, so it is trying to go back and face this resistance. So if I go to 1 day time frame, same thing, same story. If I go to 4 hour, it is same story. If I go to 1 hour, so PAP is just there. Tesla, it has low volatility. But in actual sense, it is saying that, uncle, we might pump. However, it has low volatility, the tumbler. You get? But it is showing that, uncle, we are going up. I see. However, it moves slowly, slowly. So from here where it is, you can tell 30% is showing. Yes. So that is a signal, it is there. It is a signal, it is there. Simple one. To show that this coin is going to pump. Let me draw my trend line here and I see if it surely certifies. Remember I told you when you're drawing a trend line, just consider adding 2 points and above. The moment you add 2 points and above, a trend line is done. You don't have to be too accurate. So for here, me, I have joined this point here, also this point here, also here, and also here. As long as you join 2 points and above, you fit to draw a trend line. Meaning, whenever this coin touches this black line, it pumps. Whenever it comes here, it is pumping. It is pumping. It is pumping. So the best entry point would be wait for this coin to come back. If it touches this black line, enter. You will pump. It will sell out. But for now, you can enter. It buys margin calls. By the time it reaches that black line, it tries to convert. You will be within good to take profits. And as well, what I can see to my indicator, whenever you see this cap blue thing, that cap blue cube, it is a support that this coin is going to pump. It's a support that this coin is going to pump. As you can see, let me try to take you back. Are you seeing whenever you see this cap blue, sorry, this cap green cube, I see in this zone, whenever you see it here, it indicates an upward movement. Whenever you see that cap green cube, it indicates an upward movement. Like here you see, whenever you see it, it indicates an upward movement. So the same story here, it is being shown there, it is indicating an upward movement. However, this coin must surely come back here. If after touching this black line, it will surely sell out. But you can enter it from where it is. I think it will fall, let me calculate, it will fall around 2% or negative 5%. After buying margin calls, it will definitely sell out. What is my analysis with PAP? If I go to 15-year time frame, yes, this coin is surely pumping it down, then after it will sell out. That will be PAP. Last but not the least, someone talked about NKN. NKN. So we start from 1 week, we see where it is heading. Look at that resistance. My goodness. Whoa. So, according to RSI, it is saying, uncle, we are pumping up. If I go to 1 day time frame, It is saying we are going up, but man, there are a lot of resistances. They are here, which might not able this coin to pass through. If you go to 4 hour, same story. However, it is saying that we are pumping up. If you go to 1 hour, same story. There's a lot of resistance, which is restricting this coin to rise more. If you go to 15 minutes, same story. A lot of resistance. Another coin, FL USDT. I've never heard about this. It is not there. Madam Hamosa. Either Madam Hamosa or Mr. Hamosa, I don't know. But you said I'm in FL. Hey, you're in floating those. Okay, now I get it. Someone talked about people. Someone talked about people. Let me see my people coin. Let me start from the bigger time frame, 1 week. According to 1 week, whoever is trading people, this coin is very good for long term. By the way, you can trade this coin in her. Are you seeing all those percentages? That is the amount of money I have so far made from this coin. Let me find another people from another exchange. That can be a bit awkward for you. Let me use people in OKX. So are you seeing? So people right now, according to 1 week, we are going up, meaning we are pumping up. It has fully diluted here. It has come to the support line. So by the way, also this coin of people, it is very good for holding. You can put your money there, then keep quiet. Yeah, you make some good cash. So from where it is down here. Back to this resistance, this coin might make around 443% take profit. And it will sure do it. If you go to 1 day time frame, it has a lot of resistance. It has a lot of resistance. It has a lot of resistance. So from where it is right now, back to this resistance, I'm seeing like a 28%. I'm seeing like a 28%. That is the 1 day time frame. If I go to 4 hour time frame, it is saying that we are going to dip down. But once we dip down, this will be our area of focus. If I go to 1 hour time frame, it is still there. Tesla, neither is it going up nor going down. It's just there. Tesla, but it is here. It hasn't yet decided whether we're going up or going down. We got 15-minute time frame. Same story. It is down on the support, as you can see. So just waiting for something to trigger it to pump up. Last but not the least, how much dollar? Someone said about BGD, 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 BGD USDT. We start from the bigger time frame, that is 1 week. According to what I'm seeing, this candle is just there. It is showing that it will pump, but not so sure. If we go to 1 day time frame,
Tetulaba screen you.
You can exit, then after come back. I think it's your network. It is your network, Madam Ephraim. So according to 1 day time frame, this coin is pumping down. According to 4 hour time frame, this coin is also pumping down. According to 1 hour time frame, this coin is pumping down. So we're having no chance for that. Someone asked about Vib. I'm done with it. Solvi and Cookie. Solvi and Cookie. Solvi. Wait, Solvi. Solvi. So we start from 1 week time frame. Let me see. It is down here. So it is very good to trade. If I go to 1 day time frame, it is in oversold. It is there. If I go to 4 hour, a lot of resistance. If I go to 1 hour, it is saying to me, Uncle, I might pump. because according to my indicator, whenever I see this green cube, I know the next thing is a pump, but it is just there. Yes, if I go to 15-minute time frame, it's also there, trying to come back down. May I want to trade the coin when it's on the support level. Whenever I see that blue zone, I want to trade it from there. Someone talked about Ephraim. You can mute your mic, please. Is it Ephraim? There's a lady, her mic is on. Okay, thank you. Someone talked about cookie. I'm going to end at exactly 1:15. We start from one week time frame. I check and I see it's just there. If I go to 1 day, I go to 1 day time frame, I see cookie is trying to come back down. If I go to 4 hour, cookie is trying to come back down. You see, whenever you see this, whenever you see this red cube, it's saying that uncle, we are going down. It's like a resistance. Whenever you see the green cube, it means that market is pumping. Whenever you see the red, the market is going down. So currently the cookie, it is going down. So if I go to 1 hour, same story. Cookie is down here. Are you seeing that on RSI? And also here it is trying to come back down to this blue zone. Then we shall surely pump. If I go to 15 minutes, same story. There's a lot of resistance here. So this coin might not exceed. Last but not the least, someone talked about magic. Someone talked about magic USDT. Someone talked about magic USDT. Start with 1 week time frame. The coin is pumping. You see, with 1 week, the coin is saying, uncle, I'm seeing a car sign which is showing that we might pump up. Then if we go to 1 day time frame, for sure this is a magic. It did it, then eventually now we are pumping down. Because I told you, whenever you see this red cube, meaning the candlestick is going to dip down. What do you mean by resistance, please? Resistance, I mean that this coin is not going to exceed from there. Like it's like a barrier, a wall that the candlestick might not pass through. Meaning the coin will stop from there, then it will bounce back. That's what I mean by resistance. A support, it is a point at which when the coin is dipping down, it will stop from there, then it will come back up. So for this case, the red zone, it is the resistance. Meaning whenever the coins reach this point, they will surely be forced to come back down. And the blue zone here, what you're seeing, is known as the support. So meaning whenever prices reach this zone, they will surely pump back up because there are many buy orders down here. There's a lot of demand. Yes, hopefully I've answered you right, Madam Ephraim. So this coin is going to dip down back to this zone. If I go to 4 hour time frame, still the same thing. Are you saying? I'm seeing this red thing and also this red thing. So meaning we are pumping down. If I go to 1 hour, the same story with the magic. However, here it is saying to me, uncle, we might pump, but me, I cannot enter. I cannot enter because they have already confirmed from me from 1 week, from 1 day, and even 4 hour. I can't trust 1 hour time frame. So this coin will surely just dip down. So that's with magic. Someone talked about Ava. Ava, only 2 minutes I close out. Someone talked about Ava. According to Ava, what I'm saying, Ava, it is coming from down, meaning we must see a pump up, as you can see here with the Ava. If I go to must go to 1 day. If I go to 1 day time frame, 1 day time frame is saying, uncle, this coin must first come back to this blue line, then we shall pump up. If I go to 4 hour, This coin is dipping down, so it has not yet made a change, that curve. So we are still pumping down. If we go to 1 hour, we are facing a resistance. That's why it might not pass through. So it is still dipping down back to this blue zone. Then we shall surely see a pump up. If I go to 15-minute time frame, the same story. A lot of resistance, which is forcing this coin to dip down. Last but not the least, I think that is it. I think someone talked about Atom. This is the last coin, then I close out. This is the last coin, then I close out. This is the last coin, then I close out. Start from 1 week time frame. According to 1 week, this atom has been here. According to RSI, it is saying we are pumping up. If I go to 1 day time frame, it is saying, Uncle, we are pumping up from here to here. There are many resistance. So currently we might pump up. If I go to 4 hour, it is saying, Uncle, we're not going anywhere. We are first going down here. According to RSI, it is telling me that, Uncle, we are going down. When I'm using RSI, I'm looking at this blue line. Where the direction goes, it's where the market is heading. Once the blue line crosses once the blue line crosses below the orange, we are dipping down. Once the blue line crosses above the orange, we are pumping up. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, it is saying to me, Uncle, we might pump, but we might not exit. Reason being, there's a resistance here and here and here. So we might still see a dip down here with Atom. If I go to 15 minutes, the same story. There's a lot of resistance here. So meaning this coin will eventually come back here. So it's not good for trading. Thank you so much for listening to me. Those red and green cubes, are they the indicators? No, they're not the indicators. They're just a supplement to the indicators. This is the indicator. The indicator is known as smart money concept. So when you come here, you tap onto this thing here. When you tap here, you tap onto the word indicators. Are you seeing here? Tapping into the word indicators, you come and you search smart money. Smart money, it is here. This is the coin. Smart money, like Zalgo. That is the indicator which shows the blue and the green and the green and the red cubes. Are we together, Madam Hamosa or Mr. Hamosa? It's called smart money concept. Then the other one is called stochastic RSI. So you can just write RSI. They will bring for you stochastic RSI. So those are the two indicators you should have on your trading view. They will easily enable you out to find out a coin to trade. Those are the only two I have. Are we together? Let me come back here and I see if everything is okay with you. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, Baketunga Joab. Ati bano balazewa. You people. Abdul Salam, thank you so much. Mr. Muhammad. Let me see. Let me check out. Thanks, bro. Thank you, leader. Which indicator is that? Nankunda read. Next month, prepare. You're going to present here because I've always been here. I've been seeing you. You present to us and tell us what you have learned for all this, the first quarter of the year. Yeah, I know my people. Hamosa, I've answered you right. Malunda Ephraim, I think I've also answered you right. How much $20 above? Look at you. What were you talking about, Mr. Owen? Okay, I think that is it. That is it. I'm still new uncle. Nankunda. That does not. It won't. I'm not tempted to not let you know that. Please just prepare. For you being in new or an old karma, in this period, the first quarter of you can't tell me the 4 months you have always been here, you literally learned out nothing. Definitely no. So utilize this time, prepare, just know my first lesson, first month of May, you will present anything you want. Me, I won't discuss for you a topic which you base on. You just choose anything. you're free with, then you teach us. By the way, we are going at Fort Potro on 30th this month. Let me see today. Where's my calendar? Today is. I'm having a lot of. What is here? What was the TT? I'm also forgetting. So we are going next week on Wednesday at Fort Potro. Then on 1st May, that will be Labor Day. 1st May, that would be Labor Day. Uh, 1st May, that would be Labor Day. We shall have an event at Fort Potro. We shall have an event at Fort Potro, as you can see. For us, we are leaving Kampala on 30th, Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we're having the event. Then on 2nd, we shall be touring inquisitive sites in Fort Potro, Chitagata Hot Springs. We shall go to Empire Hot Springs. We shall go to the Crater Lake. We shall go to there's Mountain Renzori. Yes, up there. Mount climbing. No, it's called hiking, not climbing. Hiking. We shall have swimming. We shall have a boat cruise as well because there are various river streams. Which other sites? We shall go to the Kingdom, Toro Kingdom. Man, just know we're having a lot of activities. You don't need anything much. Just book with us. Just book with us. If you're ready, then we go. We shall be there for 3 days. Eats and drinks are all on you. Me, I don't know what you take. Let me see if I can. Can I go with someone? Yes, please. Can I go with someone? Who is free? We go. You people, who is free? We go. Let me check here. Who are those who are free? We go together. Who is free? We go. Who is free? We go. Who is this one? Shabe Abdul. Take her away. Hamas is saying by air, not by air. We shall use cars, road transport. From Kampala to Fort Porto, it takes less than 4 hours. So no need for an airstrip. Anyway, that is it. Let me wish you a happy day, a delicious lunch. Let's meet, I think, today at 8 p.m. Let's meet today at 8 p.m. We finalize our trading view classes. Let's meet tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Let's meet today at 8 p.m. at night. Let's meet today at 8 p.m. at night. Let's meet today at 8 p.m. at night. All right. Thank you so much. Rosemary, you have come late. You have come late. You're so early for the next lesson.
I'm late because I was busy. I just saw the message now.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, sorry.
Let's meet. Let's meet today at 8 p.m.
Okay, okay.
Kale. Have a good day and a delicious lunch as well.
Have a good day too.